quiet small town in northern Michigan has unexpectedly become a symbol of hope and unity after its residents came together to overcome a sudden natural disaster. Last week, a powerful snowstorm hit the region, dropping more than 3 feet of snow in less than 24 hours. Roads were blocked, power lines collapsed, and hundreds of homes were left without electricity during freezing temperatures. When the storm first struck, many families feared they would be trapped for days without help. However, what happened next surprised not only the town itself but also people across the country. Instead of waiting for outside assistance, local residents quickly organized themselves into volunteer groups. Using snow shovels, small tractors, and even homemade tools, they began clearing roads and pathways to help emergency services reach stranded families. Local grocery store owners opened their shops for free food distribution. They handed out bread, canned goods, bottled water, and warm drinks to anyone who needed them. Restaurants in the area cooked large pots of soup and delivered hot meals to elderly people who were unable to leave their homes. High school students volunteered their time by helping carry supplies and checking on neighbors. One of the most inspiring actions came from the town's community center. The building was quickly converted into a warming shelter. Volunteers brought in blankets, heaters, and generators to keep the space warm and safe. Families who had lost electricity were able to stay there overnight. Doctors and nurses from a nearby hospital also volunteered to provide free medical checkups at the shelter. The mayor of the town held a short press conference and praised the community's efforts. This town showed the true power of kindness and teamwork. We did not give up, and we did not leave anyone behind, he said. News of the town's bravery spread rapidly on social media. Videos and pictures of neighbors helping each other went viral, receiving millions of views. People from other states began sending donations, including winter coats, blankets, and funds to support rebuilding efforts. Within 3 days, electricity was restored to most homes, and roads were reopened. While life slowly returned to normal, the spirit of unity remained strong. Many residents said the storm changed the way they viewed their community. "We realize that we are not just neighbors, we are a family," said one resident. This small Michigan town may once again become quiet and peaceful, but its story has left a powerful message for the world. Even in the darkest and coldest times, kindness and courage can light the way.